How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch a Snapchat application on your device. Then from this camera section, you need to simply go across to the chat section and bottom left corner of the screen and access all your friends from here. After that, from your friends list, you have to select that particular user or friend to whom you want to unfriend on Snapchat. You can scroll through your list and find the person you want to remove. Tap and hold it. Select Manage Friendship option and tap Remove Friend. If you want to remove it and you are sure that you want to unfriend this user, tap Remove button. And then you will successfully unfriend someone on Snapchat. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.